Hello everyone! Today we're going to create a beautiful balloon arrangement using latex balloons and a metallic number 8 balloon. Let's start by opening the number 8 balloon and carefully inflating it with a manual pump. Be gentle because this balloon can pop easily. It already comes with a self-sealing valve. Check the pressure, and once it's firm, your balloon is ready. Now, let's build our balloon base. We'll use 7-inch balloons, inflated to 5 inches. Measure carefully to make sure they are even. Tie 2 balloons together to form a pair, and repeat to create another pair. Then, cross the 2 pairs to form your first cluster. For the second cluster, inflate the balloons to 3.5 inches. Measure. Tie. Tie. Pair them and cross to form your second cluster. To connect the clusters, pull and twist the balloon necks tightly around each other to secure them. Now that our base is ready, let's create an extension for the number 8. Take a 260 balloon, let all the air out, and tie the ends. Find the middle of the balloon, place the neck of the metallic balloon in the center, and use the rolling technique and tie it tightly. Stretch the 260, pass it underneath the base, and wrap it around tightly. Next, let's add volume and organic movement. Inflate several 5-inch balloons to 3.5 inches, tying each one individually. Divide the air to create mini duos. Use the balloon necks from the base to attach the mini duos, filling the arrangement until it looks full and beautiful. Divide the air to create mini duos. Now it's time to add the water weight for stability. Tie it securely to the base using the neck of the balloon. For a special touch, let's create a flower using a 260 balloon. Inflate the balloon, leaving about 4 fingers uninflated. Make 6 loops using the loop twist technique. Each loop should measure about 4 fingers. Twist and secure them until you complete all 6 petals. For the flower center, inflate a silver balloon into a small 2-finger-sized ball. Pinch twist it, and place it in the center of the flower. Attach the flower to the base using glue dots or silicone adhesive. I'll leave in the description the type of glue I like to use. Finally, create a mini cluster by inflating 5-inch balloons to 2 inches, splitting the air, and attaching it to the top of the number 8 for a perfect finishing touch. I hope you enjoyed today's project. Don't forget to subscribe for more free balloon tutorials.